All right, so we've made some progress here. We have ponds, which are dangerous, and we have pits, which are dangerous. Now, the reason that the player is not falling into them at the moment is because of these invisible rules of the game that are available at any time to go away. So this little red thing here is the camera or the player if it was in play mode, right? And these little, is that cyan, magenta? I don't remember the color, whatever, purple, pink. Those are barriers. See, they're keeping the player safe, but at any time they could go away. So anyway, so we have pits and ponds. So all this is a canvas 2D, right? So obviously it's not going to be as good as WebGL or 3.js. So it is what it is. These are just trees, and I was playing around with adjusting the haze to get better animation, which it is better. I wonder what happens if I go into play mode. Okay, not bad, especially since I'm recording. What else we got here? This is a different scene, obviously. So I've been able to create various scenes, and I can select them, export them, import them, and I edit them right here with different objects that can be placed at will.